Back and front. Ha? Xiaomi. Binday Dam. Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel again. So my name is RR. So dito kami ngayon sa Binday Dam, FABIAN, na very nice view, nice feeling, nice time for relaxing. So as you can see, andito ako for today. So makakasama ko yung mga pinsan ko, and then papakita ko yung view sa inyo, full view. So let us check out. Yan ang view. May mga talahib, syempre mga cottage. As you can see, madami tao today. Very nice kasi habang umuupo ka sa tubig na may bato, then umiinom, ganyan, chillin, time for relax talaga. So yan ang view. So I'm using dual view camera by Xiaomi phone. So don't mind me, sana hira ko ng Xiaomi car. So yan, super ganda ng Binday Dam sa FABIAN, Pangasinan. So I recommend this place to chill, and then speak out the problem. So yeah, papakita ko or papakilala ko sa inyo yung mga kasama ko, mga pinsan ko. So there you go, check it out. Hi guys, so we're enjoying the running water. And this is a full view. Kapagod siya. May kami dyan, and that's the full view. Super chillin', as you can see. So we're going home na. It's because it's already late to come home. We are already curfew hour in Pangasinan area. So thank you for watching. So please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell my YouTube channel. So bye.